Oh, hello, welcome back. I'll be explaining about the significance of blending mode in Photoshop so that you can blend an image with a color. So, for example, I have this image of the stairs and then I want to blend it with this orange colored background. I changed the blending mode. So I select here, it's still normal the way it is. And then if I change it to darken, the darker colors of the original image will be retained but slightly blended with the orange color, but the highlight is entirely blended, slightly blended, but not vibrant enough. If I change it to multiply, the shadows, the midtones, and the highlight of the original image will all be blended with the orange color, and then it has this darker sense. So it looks warm, and then it looks fancy. Oh yeah. And then if I change it to color burn, oh yeah, it has this this burning physical photography kind of feel. And then everything is high in saturation and contrast level. And then if I change it to linear burn, it's the same as multiply, but it's more stronger because because of the slight burn with the orange background. And then if I change it to darker color, only the darker parts of the original image will be selected and the highlight will be all orange. Same goes when you choose lighter color. The lighter color will be selected from the original image, yet the background, the darker colors will be entirely orange. If I change it to lighten, only the lighted part, which is the highlight, will be highlighted, and then the background will be almost blended with the orange color. Then if I change it to screen, then now the darker colors will be blended with the orange color, but the highlight will be highlighted, and then it will be increased in brightness, but it will still blend. The original image will still blend with the orange colored background. If I select color dodge, no, looks high in saturation and contrast level. And then if I change it to linear dodge and then add, too bright. And then if I change it to overlay, the colors, no, the image will unite with the orange colored background. Everything from the original image will be desaturated, and then it will blend thoroughly with the orange colored background. And then if I change it to soft light, oh yeah, there's this it's fading, the faded version of overlay. And then if I change it to hard light, oh yeah, the original colors from the original image will be blended perfectly. I am recommending this definitely. And then if I change it to vivid light, it's high in contrast levels. And then linear light, too bright. Pin light, suitable for pop art. Hard mix, everything gets really cartoony. Difference, it's inverted. You can choose in any of these in the rest of the blending modes to get that look of the image that you want to achieve. This one, for example, if you want to do pop art, and then, but I personally choose hard light. So that's it. That's all for the video about blending mode in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, but for me, it's good day. Ciao.